We're given a string like Swiss, and we want the position of the first character that appears exactly once. In Swiss, the letter S shows up 3 times, but W and I each appear only once, and W comes first at index 1. If no character is unique, we return -1 to say there isn't one. The clean approach is 2 passes. In the first pass, we count how many times each character appears, storing the tallies in a small map. In the second pass, we walk the string again from the left, and the very first character whose count is exactly 1 is our answer, so we return its index. If we finish the second pass without finding any count of 1, there's no unique character, so we return -1. First pass, we build a dictionary of counts, using get with the default of 0, so each new character starts fresh. Second pass, we go through the string by index from the start, and the first character whose stored count is exactly 1 gives us the answer, so we return that index. If none qualifies, we return -1. Let's build the 2 passes live and try a few strings. First pass builds a map of how many times each character shows up in the string. Second pass scans left to right and returns the index of the first character with a count of 1. If no character was unique, we return -1 to signal that none exists. Now let's test it and hit run. There we go. In Swiss, the first unique letter is W at index 1. In LeetCode, it's L at index 0. And AABB has no unique letter, so -1. The flow is count then find. First tally every character. Then scan from the start, and the first character with a count of 1 gives its index. If the scan ends with nothing, return -1. How fast? We pass over the string twice, once to count and once to find, so the time grows linearly with the length. The map stores 1 entry per distinct character, so its size is the size of the alphabet, a small constant for plain letters. 3 reminders. First, the question asks for the position, so return the index, not the letter. Second, the second pass has to run left to right, so the first unique character you hit really is the earliest. And third, when every character repeats, the honest answer is -1, meaning there is no unique character.